Crash course on how to cook turkey for family celebration during Thanksgiving or Christmas holidays. There are many different ways to prepare turkey for Thanksgiving and Christmas in Canada. Here are some popular options. 1. Traditional roasted turkey. This is perhaps the most common way to prepare turkey for the holidays. The turkey is seasoned with salt, pepper, and other herbs and spices, and then roasted in the oven until it is golden brown and juicy. 2. Brined turkey. Brining involves soaking the turkey in a saltwater solution, which helps to keep it moist and flavorful. You can add additional flavorings to the brine, such as herbs, citrus, and spices. 3. Smoked turkey. Smoking the turkey adds a delicious smoky flavor and a crispy skin. You can use a smoker, a charcoal grill, or a gas grill with a smoking box. 4. Fried turkey. Deep-fried turkey has become increasingly popular in recent years. This method produces a crispy skin and moist meat, but it requires special equipment and should be done outdoors. 5. Stuffed turkey. Stuffing the turkey with a mixture of bread, vegetables, and herbs adds flavor and texture to the meat. Be sure to cook the stuffing to a safe temperature to avoid foodborne illness. 6. Spatchcocked turkey. Spatchcocking involves removing the backbone of the turkey and flattening it before roasting. This method allows the turkey to cook more evenly and produces a crispy skin. 7. Turducken. For a truly decadent holiday feast, you can try making a turducken, which is a chicken stuffed inside a duck stuffed inside a turkey. This dish requires some advanced preparation and cooking skills, but it is sure to impress your guests. No matter which method you choose, be sure to follow food safety guidelines to ensure that your turkey is cooked to a safe temperature and free from harmful bacteria. Here is a recipe for traditional roasted turkey. Ingredients: 1 whole turkey, 12 to 14 pounds. 1/2 cup butter, softened. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon dried thyme. 1 tablespoon dried rosemary. 1 tablespoon dried sage. 2 onions, quartered. 2 carrots, chopped. 2 stalks celery, chopped. 4 cups chicken or turkey stock. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. 2. Remove the giblets and neck from the turkey and set them aside for gravy, if desired. Rinse the turkey inside and out with cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. 3. In a small bowl, mix together the butter, salt, pepper, thyme, rosemary, and sage. 4. Rub the butter mixture all over the turkey, including under the skin and in the cavity. 5. Place the onions, carrots, and celery in the bottom of a roasting pan. Place the turkey on top of the vegetables, breast side up. 6. Pour the chicken or turkey stock into the bottom of the roasting pan. 7. Cover the turkey loosely with foil and roast for 2.5 to 3 hours, basting every 30 minutes with the pan juices. Remove the foil during the last 30 minutes of cooking to brown the skin. 8. To check if the turkey is done, insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh. The temperature should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. 9. Remove the turkey from the oven and let it rest for 20 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute and makes the turkey more tender. 10. Serve with your favorite sides and enjoy. Note: cooking times may vary depending on the size of your turkey, so be sure to check the internal temperature regularly. Here is a poem to prepare turkey for happy family dinner. Let's gather round the table and share a meal so fine. A golden turkey centerpiece, a sight that's truly divine. We've worked so hard to make it. Seasoned just right, you see. It's time to carve the bird up for our happy family. The scent of roasted turkey fills the air with glee. And as we all sit down to eat, we give thanks for family. The juicy meat so tender, and the crispy skin so brown. It's the perfect centerpiece for our family to gather round. We savor every bite we take, and reminisce on times before. We give thanks for one another. and the love that we all share. So here's to a happy Thanksgiving with our loved ones near and far. May this turkey bring us joy and cheer, and memories that last forevermore. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?i to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.